Alright, y'all, we're in the tree stand. So splitter's getting me a run for my money, so we're switching to this deer we're calling the Big 8. There's also a big 9-point here, so basically whichever one comes first. So my dad sat here the other day, and he had a 9-point come from behind him, and that's the littler 9-point that we're not going to shoot. We're going to pass on him, but we have a big scrape right here. I'll show y'all this right now. So hopefully that deer comes, and well, not a scrape, a rub, but hopefully that deer comes in, heads over here to this food plot behind me, and we get him on his way in. So y'all stay tuned. We just smoked a big doe. Thank you, Lord. I haven't shot a deer on my bow since like 3 years ago. And I just hard shot that one. And she didn't go at 20 yards. I'm super pumped. It's been like 45 minutes since I shot her. She had a small buck with her. And he just stayed around for a while, so I didn't get to get the camera. And then while he was here, another doe came in. And she's still around here. She's really right there. But, just wanted to update y'all. I'm super pumped. I prayed that a big mature white-tailed doe would come in, and she did. So thank you, Lord, for letting us be able to hunt these animals. It's such a blast. I got one more arrow, so hopefully a big buck comes in that we're after. So y'all stay tuned. Man, what a hunt. All right, I'm headed to get the Ranger, pick up Dad and Jax, and we're gonna head back over there, load her up, look at everything. Man, it's my first deer with a bow since like 10th grade. I'm a sophomore in college now, so it's been a long time. It's a great feeling. I've put a lot of practice in, so it's a really rewarding feeling. Also got to saw a nice mature buck. Passed on him though, so you can give him another year. But man, what a good feeling. We're gonna go see Dad, and we're gonna go pick him up from where he hunted, and then we're gonna get Jax, and we're gonna head right back to where I shot it. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all staying too, because it's gonna be pretty good. I think we're gonna put her on the grill tonight too, because we're out of food, so glad we shot one. Well, Dad, I put one down.
All right, man, that's awesome, bud. Proud of you.
First one since 10th grade.
What?
With the bow.
Oh, really? Hey, that's awesome, bud. Proud of you.
All right, let's go find her, even though we know right where she is. You can see my knock. Let's check out this arrow. Oh yeah. Nice. Straight through her.
Where do you see the bullet through?
We don't need one.
Further over to the right. Yeah.
Wow, what a shot. She's right here.
Oh, right here. Look at the blood right here.
Nice, what a shot.
Yeah, good shot, man. Okay.
All right, y'all. See, perfect shot right there. I'm so excited, man. Bow hunting is so rewarding. I put in so much practice with targets and all sorts of stuff this off season, and it's finally paying off. And tonight we're gonna eat some backstrap on the grill, and we're gonna be videoing that, and we're gonna do like catch, clean, cook. But man, we are so lucky and fortunate and blessed by God to be able to hunt these awesome animals. And man, what a treat it is. So we'll see y'all when we're on the grill. We got them all on the hot grill. We're gonna take them inside here in about 3 minutes, and we're gonna show y'all a little taste test. Oh yeah.
Here we go. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that'll eat. We got some tenderloin, some backstrap, some fries. Good eating.
Homemade.
Homemade. Straight from the field. That's good.
That'll eat. Jack?
Jax, will that eat?
That'll eat. Farm to table.
Oh yeah. Farm to table. Field to stomach.